Hello, and welcome to our WP Ultimate CSV Importer video series. Today, we'll dive into the exciting new integration with ChatGPT. Making use of ChatGPT for content creation offers numerous advantages, including the generation of product descriptions, post content, and more. Let's start by configuring ChatGPT with an API key. Head over to Settings, then OpenAI Settings. Paste your API key and click Save. To see ChatGPT in action, we'll import a record from my post CSV. I've left some fields empty, and these are where we'll generate AI content. We've added support for post content and post excerpt fields to enrich your content. Additionally, we've focused on AI-generated images, supporting the Featured Images field to create AI images based on the provided prompt. Now, let's begin the import process. Select your CSV file and choose the post type. For this demo, I'm importing post records. In the mapping section, notice the ChatGPT logo next to specific fields. Opt for header manipulation from the drop-down. Click the ChatGPT icon and select the prompt column. I'll choose post title. Specify the desired word count for content and configure the featured image field. Choose the field with prompts for image generation. Save the mapping with a template. Click Continue. Then import. Wait for the process to complete. View the log and check the admin view for the results. The post content and featured image are automatically generated. That's how easy it is to use ChatGPT with CSV Importer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.